Easy to identify and operate, different colors correspond to different sizes, easy to pick up for use. Transparent sleeve provides precise inspection when strip and insert wires inside. More effective way -1-step solder and seal process for all your connections, insulated and sealed. Waterproof. Unique double wall design, external polyolefin pipe, built-in hot melt adhesive. When heated, the polyolefin tube shrinks in size and the adhesive flows through the insulation. Double wall tubing ensures watertight seal to prevent wire corrosion. No slip wire contact. Tubing reduces in size and solder will melt and flow through the stripped wires. Ensure strong holding, your wire will never slip out of the connector. Can be ideal used in marine and automobile applications. Package include 50 pcs solder seal wire connector, 23 pcs red, 12 pcs blue, 10 pcs white, 5 pcs yellow. Wire range 26 to 24 AWGO, 250, 34M2, white, 22 to 18 AWGO, 510 M2, red, 16 to 14 AWG1, 525 M2, blue, 12 to 10 AWG4, 60 M2, yellow, material and color durable nylon plus solder 4 color. Make it easy to identify the right size of the connector, prevents the wire from shorting out. Perfect connection for the wire terminals or accessory products for electrical connection. Minimum shrink temperature 80. Minimum temperature for solder to melt 138. Package includes 50 pcs solder seal heat shrink butt connectors, 23 red, 12 blue, 10 white, 5 yellow. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as advertised. Very easy to use, very durable, and waterproof just like they said. I would definitely recommend this to others and I will be buying more. I use them on so many different applications. Thank you for a quality product.